there we are. Okay, share screen. There, we're all set. So the first color is Leah. So Leah is one of those colors that can have two meanings. So it's light blue, or it's gray if you're talking about hair. So some of the colors will be different if you talk about hair. So Leah.
Leah.
So
Leah.
Leah. Okay. You can see it quite a lot in place names as well. So this color Leah.
Does that apply to eye color as well?
Okay. So Leah. Leah is light blue or gray in hair. Okay, the next one is Buye.
Yellow.
So, yes, Buye is yellow. And you can see it in both place names and people's surnames in Scotland. So that's boy. So that's basically Buye. Yeah. So, okay, and the next one is Jarek. Jarek. Although it's spelled like this, there is an extra A there. So Jarek.
I had a cat named Jarek.
Yeah. So Jarek is red. Jarek is red.
You want to come up and say hi?
Oh, this cat who's called Jarek is there?
Oh, I had a cat named Jarek, yeah.
Okay, so next one is down. So down, again, if it's written like this, but it's pronounced as down. So down. Down is brown. Down. Okay. Okay. And then the next one is do. Yeah, do. Do is black. So it's written like this, but you do not pronounce the VH at the end. So it's just do. No sound here. Or just do. Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, next one is gal. 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 So gal is white as a color. So white. Gal. Okay. And the next one is glass. That is also some color that has different meanings depending on where it is. So glass. Glass can mean gray, but it can also mean green if it's in nature. It's not something that you paint green, but it's like natural green. So, and the good example of this is Glasgow, so which is Glasgow in Gaelic. Glasgow. So acheg means field. So glass in this case means green. Well, acheg, field or pasture. So green pasture. Okay. Glass. Okay. So next one is Gorham. Again, it's spelled like this, but there is an extra A there. So Gorham. And that's blue. Gorham. Also interesting color because grass is quite often referred as Pierre Gorham, so blue grass. So, Gorham. Right. So this one is orange, so that's an English word. The girl didn't have anything that was orange, so it's an English word, orange. Okay, and same goes for pink as well. Since C is you can read it as K, it's spelled like this and not with a K. Okay, so pink. Same goes for purple as well. So purple is purpi, but it is a Gaelic word. It is not a Gaelic word, I mean, it's an English word. So purpi. So this at the end is just E, so purpi. So that's purple. Okay, ruag. So ruag. That word can refer to hair, and in that case it's red hair, ruag, or reddish brown, just for a color. So ruag. Quite often see it in people's nicknames as well. So ruag.
Auburn hair.
Yeah, ruag. Red hair, or just reddish brown. Okay, so this is oanie. So oanie is green that you painted or dyed. So oanie, not natural green, but the one that you painted. Oanie. Oanie. Okay. And next one is ban. So ban is fair or blonde for hair, and it is only used for hair. It's ban. And you can see it in surnames and people's nicknames as well. So Bain is basically ban. That's its Scottish surname. Okay, and next one is just the word for color. So da is the word for color in Gaelic. So da means color. And this, which is also there, J and da, is. That's how you ask, what color is it? J and da, is. So J is what, and da is the color, and is, and then is means on. And then you can add a noun of some sort here. Yeah. Okay. And if you don't add anything, it means what color is it. Okay, J and da, it means what color is it, just like here. Okay, J and da, it. Yeah. Okay. That's us. Any questions? So that's us.
How do you spell purple again?
Purpi. I'll go back. So this is it, purple. Purpi. Purpi. Just E at the end, so that is not pronounced. Okay, any more questions?
I do. I have a question.
Yeah, sure.
I've been sort of going over it and taking notes and trying to make note of when two consonants that look like consonants to me have a sound. Is there a fixed grammar like that that can be relied upon, or does it depend?
Well, there are reading rules, basically. Yeah, some reading rules. So we can go into them at a later stage. Well, you already know that MH is pronounced as V, and VH can be pronounced as V as well. That it does depend on where in the word it is. Yeah, especially for the H. And that can appear anywhere, and it also depends on what's around it too. Okay, any more questions? No, everybody's happy with this. So, okay, so since everybody seems to be happy, we will try Kahoots, shall we? So, okay, I need to tap and then I will share screen.
Am I unmuted? Yeah.
Yeah.
How do you spell green again?
Green, as in which green? We have two greens in
Oh,
Ghana.
not in the not in the painted green, the original green.
GLAS, glass.
Does that
Okay.
refer to the sea as well? Glass.
No.
It doesn't refer to the sea green glass. Okay.
Well, it mostly refers to anything that grows.
Oh, okay, I've read it. Okay, interesting. Oh, read it.
Because I think this sea is probably a slightly different shade. So it just depends.
I think in Duolingo they have it relating to the sea or something. Maybe that's where I picked it up.
Well, the sea as in a gray sea. Sea can be gray too, you know.
Yeah, maybe that's it.
Yeah. Okay, Kahoot is starting. So basically the idea is I'm going to share screen in a minute and you will see a number on it. And you will sign into Kahoots, a website, and enter the number. It's been a bit slow today, so we're just waiting for it to. Okay, we'll do classic and we're ready to do it. The only other thing I wanted to do. Okay.
What are we signing into on the other device?
Just bear with me a second.
Oh, okay.
So, okay. So basically the instructions are here. Join at this website and game pin is this. So this is what this is.
Okay.
It's Kahoot.
Kahoot. So www.kahoots.it.
PLAY.
Okay, and then it's game pin. So I will make it silent because usually the music is quite distracting. Okay, yeah.
Oh, here's the pin. Okay, 689.
Okay, so 2 people are in so far.
Mine says it doesn't recognize that pin.
That's strange.
Yes, it is.
Thank
That's
you.
my usual experience, though. So.
Oh no.
Is there a space?
Right. So there is no stone. Well, there might be a space actually.
Look, well, I put it in and it doesn't work.
Well, you can try with or without and see if it works.
It works without a space.
Oh,
Okay, that's fine then. Okay, so is everybody in now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Right. Are we ready to start? Okay, let's go. I'll put you up there so that. Okay, so that we can see. Okay, what color is her hair? So on your devices, there is only just Ban or Leah. And there is no question. The question is on the main computer. The question is on your screen. So Ban or Leah?
I picked it here.
Okay, very good. Doing great so far. Okay. True or false? This color is do. True or false?
Oh. Oh, I see.
I have to think really quick.
Yes. You'll get used to it though. And you have plenty of time. Yay, everybody. Right, okay, true or false again? This color is buia. Okay.
Is it going? Won't go. Oh,
I can skip.
oh, it gives you
Right, well
Is
done.
that Booyah or Booyah?
Okay, what color is this? Oanie or buia? Okay. Well done. Next one. And what color is this? Goram Jerek. Right. What color is her hair? Leah Ruag. True or false? This color is Jereg. Kat will know. Actually, just for one more person. Okay. What color is this? Do or down? Do or down? Okay. Alright, what color is this? 3 more questions. Okay, pink or orange? Easy. This one is easy.
Oh, I'm scratching my head.
Okay, this color is purple. Again, that one is an easy question. Last, oh, not the last. Second last question. What color is this? Wine or glass? Careful with this one. Now is last question. Her hair is banned. True or false?
I think it needs to be.
Ooh, I haven't voted.
Okay. Okay, see who. Now we will see the moment of truth. Ta-da! Right. Okay. Well done, David. 12 out of 12. Who is the fastest and the? Oh, Kath. Of course she is. Well
There you
done.
go.
Congratulations.
Good
You
job.
are the winner.
Definitely.
Okay. Well, the rest of you still have time to win in the second Kahoot. Okay, so the second Kahoot today is with greetings and introductions. So yesterday's topic.
If your connection is not stable.
Yes,
No, I say if your connection is not stable, I couldn't choose two pieces. Time out, it said.
Okay,
No.
so for people whose connection is not stable, you'll be happy to know that I'm going to assign this Kahoot to. So it means that you can play on your own. Now in the chat, I'm going to post a link and the game pin.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, Kath. It's okay. We're ready to start. Let's go. Oops. I'm not running out of time yet. Okay, true or false? Gleva means good morning. True or false? Gleva means good morning. Okay, well done. Okay, I'm well. Hagema or Gleva? So the question is, I am well. Right? Next. She or Beha means you're welcome. Formal, true or false? She or Beha. Okay. So how are you? Formal? You need to choose. Falce, Chiri, Mativa, or Kimara Hashev. Yeah. I see you have been practicing. Very well. Hagema or Gleva? Okay. Well, good morning. Falce, Chiri, Mativa, or Kimara Hashev. Cheerio. Falchi Chiri Matinva or Kimura Hashet. Right. Just 2 questions. Sveskema means good afternoon or evening. True or false? Thank you, formal. That's the last question. Tapalev, Hagema, Ahiva or Gleva. Okay. I see you're quite good at introductions. You have definitely been practicing. Okay, so who is the winner? Bonnie, well done! Congratulations! Now Lernea. Okay. There we are. So, okay, that's us for today. So we have done Kahoots today, so we know how to use them, and we will be doing more of them. So I think tomorrow we should probably do Christmas and New Year vocabulary, because Christmas has been, but New Year is coming. So we should probably do Christmas and New Year greetings. Yeah, that'd be great. Okay, so I'm going to try and add Alison to the chat. She's the only one who is not in the chat yet. And I'm going to post again, Alison is not in the Quizlet class yet. The rest of you are in the Quizlet class. So the Quizlet sets are all there. So just choose the one we are doing and practice that one. Okay, and the link to the video, as soon as it loads, I will upload it on YouTube and give you a link there as well. And same goes for Kahoots. Okay, and I'll give you a link to practice Kahoots on your own as well. Okay, so lots of links today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. You can message me and ask me.